Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked about, of course, the Department of Justice in the United States that wants to have Google Chrome separated from Google itself, and also that the Google search engine stop paying to be included in other software or devices as a search. And of course, a couple of you came back and said, isn't that going to hurt some third party browsers, for example, Firefox? And indeed, it could, because one of the things about Firefox is that one of the major income from the company is through the Google search deal that they have for the Firefox browser. And that means that if Google cannot pay other companies to include Google search, it also means that these companies are going to suffer from that decision. So this definitely could also, because that's another question, do you think it could make browser market different because some of the smaller market share browsers like Firefox could maybe disappear because there's not enough income? It's a definite possibility. It's something you got to think about. So this has to do with a lot of different things, not just a browser like Firefox, but there are devices out there that you own, Google or Android devices that you might have in your hand, that one of the ways that they actually make money off of it is because they have a search deal with Google search. So this is something that it will be interesting to look at for the future, because it's definitely something that could impact a lot more than just Google itself. So we'll see what happens. It's not an official decision yet. It's recommendations, and those recommendations, some will be taken and some will not. But we'll see what happens with that in a near future, because definitely could mean a whole different landscape with, some of the companies just barely making money and suddenly going into the red because those search deals don't exist anymore. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.